Great people, welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. From all indications, it seems there is no hope for Southeast to occupy Aso Rock come 2023. This is equal to the lack of cooperation we have noticed thus far concerning the people and the elders of Southeast. Now, quite unfortunate that right now they are tilting their support. Most of the key stakeholders in Southeast, governors even involved, they are steering their support to northern aspirant, without caring to know what the situation of the region will be in event of not securing a presidency for the Ndibos. And some key stakeholders also have condemned the fact that a northerner will still take over from Buhari after now. We're going to give you full details of that and who the governor is, who is standing very strong behind a northerner who is intending to run for the office of the presidency. But before we give you full details of that, I would like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, the Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma appeared to have shifted grounds on the clamor for Nigerian president of Southeast extraction in 2023. Uzodinma on Friday joined the Yobe State Governor and former chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC Caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee, CECPC, Mike Buni, to return the completed presidential nomination form of the President of Nigerian Senate, Senator Ahmed Lawan. This is as the screening of presidential aspirants starts on Saturday at three different hotel locations in Abuja. According to Delhi Independent, Uzodinma and Boni led a large team that included senators and senior party officials to return Lawan's form, despite the fact that many aspirants from Uzodinma's southeast geopolitical zone had picked forms to contest for the party's ticket. When asked why he teamed up with Lawan's presidential team, Governor Uzodinma said he joined his colleague Buni and senators to show solidarity to one of their own. According to his words, he said, most of us here are from the National Assembly, some serving, some are non-serving, particularly like me. I left the Senate on sabbatical to go and contest elections in Imo State, and I am on borrowed status in Imo State as the governor. Today, we are here in solidarity to accompany our leader, the Senate President, to submit his duly completed forms, and we have submitted the form. On the same note, Governor Bello Matawale of Zamfara State also led a large entourage that includes Senator Ahmed Yerima and top APC stakeholders from the state to return the forms of aspirants vying for various positions in the party under the platform of the All Progressive Congress APC. Now, in a related news, some top Igbo elites under the aegis of the Greater Nigerian Conference have said it will be unfair on the Igbo for another northerner to succeed the President Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired when he leaves office after 8 years. This is as they urge the major political party, the ruling All Progressive Congress APC, and the People Democratic Party to zone their presidential tickets to the south, especially the southeast, for the sake of equity. A former governor of Enugu State and ex-national chairman of PDP, Dr. Nwodu Okwesilizie Nwodu, a former national chairman of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, Senator Victor Ome, veteran journalist and former senator representing Owerri Zone in the National Assembly, Chris Anyanwu, and chairman Contact and Mobilization Committee, GNC, Dr. Ferdinand Agu, said this during a courtesy visit on Friday. Nwodu noted that for equity, fairness, and unity of Nigeria, the Southeast should be allowed to take a shot at the presidency since other regions in the South have had their turn. According to him, zoning the ticket to the Southeast would end the acrimony and dissension going on in the region. Nwodu, according to his words, says we are almost completing 30 years of each zoning testing the presidency. When we formed the PDP, we also entrenched in our constitution the doctrine of zoning and power rotation between the regions. The first zone that took the slot was southern Nigeria, and why we did so was very lucid. In 2019, we zoned it to northern Nigeria, and all those who contested the ticket were from the north. After Jonathan, it returned to the north, which is going to complete 80 years now. So, by all known conventions we have adopted in Nigeria, the presidency should come to southern Nigeria. We don't think it is right to change the goalpost in the middle of the game. This has worked for us and has kept Nigeria united, reducing acrimony in the political space. It cannot be jettisoned at this time. Even though the PDP at its INEC or at its NEC meeting has thrown open the ticket, we will continue to advocate that we will continue the advocacy that we have started that the ticket should be zoned to southern Nigeria. And when it does come to the region, those of us in the southeast are making a strong case that we are given the ticket because our brothers in the southwest have gone and we haven't gone at all. He also urged the delegates of the major political party to vote for candidates from the southeast in the forthcoming primaries. Ume said the decision of the political parties on zoning would be a determining factor for Nigeria's survival. According to him, if the APC and PDP file northern candidates after the primaries, Nigeria is finished. Ume stated, he said, we don't want it to be that after the primaries that they will tell us that the presidential candidates of the two major political parties are from the north. If it happens, we are finished. Those of us from the south will bow our heads in shame. We are not going to be in Nigeria by force. The Northerners cannot tell us anything you like, you do, and expect us to stick together. We have taken a detailed look at the situation in Nigeria. The way things are being run in the country does not promote unity of the country. There is this attitude of some people feeling that they are entitled to hate others, believing that they have the population and structural advantage. This makes them do whatever they like. What is important is that the country survives. For us to be able to stay together as a nation, we should be able to respect each other. We should be able to share power. We should share things that we have as Nigerians as that they will be available to everyone. You can see it already. You know what is happening in Nigeria, that the North does not want to agree that the southern Nigeria should produce the next president after Buhari. That is why they are all over the place trying to tell us things as though they know better than us. Coming to southern Nigeria, the first deployment of our energy will be to make the North respect the South, that it is their turn after Buhari. The North should not be gunning for it. It will be unfair. When we get down home, we will look at how it has gone around the South and know what to do. It is obvious that it is pointing towards the Southeast, which has not had a shot at the presidency. He also urged Nigerians to see the need to accommodate all parts of the country by supporting a candidate from the Southeast for 2023. On her part, Anyanwu said that the future of Nigeria is in the hands of a political party. They have options now to depart from the past and face a brighter future, or to wallow in negative passion and decay into further darkness. I think that it makes good sense to rotate power to accommodate the different parts of the country. It is a way to manage our diversity and maintain peace within the polity. That was a long read, but it was what is going on. What all of these people, what the Southeast elites are saying right now, at the point we are, where this thing has already started. I mean, the screening of all those who are going for presidential position has already started in all the political parties. It's all stories. This is coming very late, and I can bet with $100 million, if I had it, that the North will hijack everything from the South. Imagine looking at people who are going to submit form, and you see not just one of the political party supporters, like a small boy who is in second, or a chairman of a local government in the south is being a part of it. You're seeing politicians who are governors being at the forefront of returning presidential ticket or presidential nomination form for a northerner. Then you want to tell me that there is togetherness in the southeast? You want to tell me that they can secure that? They say it's all story. I mean, just like Victor Ome has said, all the elites in southeast have failed. They should bury their faces in shame. I'm telling you, I've never seen a region like that before in my entire life. Despite everything, instead of that, people will be going behind to go and to support for other people. So why should we start blaming Owazirike when the man said that he already know who they were? If you check our video, you're going to see that video where the guy took out time to explain reason why he should support Yahaya Bello. Even some of these other big guys, whether Hanez and Igbo or wherever, secretly they are going behind to support the North. So what are we saying? Let the North continue ruling Nigeria until when maybe God will raise a savior who will deliver us from all of this. I'd like to leave it there. It's quite painful, I'm telling you. Quite painful, but that's where we like to leave it. Go to our comment section. Let's interact. What's your position on all this betrayal going on